If you've got a Shure MV7, wouldn't it be great if you could turn it into the more expensive SM7B, the mic you see all the top presenters using, and do it just for a few dollars? Have the same professional sound for a fraction of the price? Well, you can, and what's more, it's actually really easy to do. And at the end of this very short video, we'll do an audio test so you can see, or at least hear for yourself, if the little MV7 can match the might of the SM7B. First, you need to jump over to Amazon or any decent audio supplier site and search for an RK345, and I'll put a link in the description. Once you've got it, get your Shure MV7 and just pull the foam filter off, like that, and then pop on the RK345, and seriously, that's it. Hard to believe, I know, but that's all there is to it. And you're likely thinking, nah, I can't see it. So, let's see if they do sound the same, or at least very similar. Here's the MV7 with the foam mod, and I'll read a short passage. If you want to look and sound great on video, don't forget to download my free gear guide in the description below. It shows you how to look and sound pro on video. And now the SM7B. If you want to look and sound great on video, don't forget to download my free gear guide in the description below. It shows you how to look and sound pro on video. What do you think? Does the MV7 with the mod sound like the SM7B? Let me know in the comments below. Now, taking this even further, if you want to get more out of your USB mic, watch this video, and I'll show you can also connect your USB mic directly to your iPhone or iPad. Hope that helps. Anyway, till next time, bye for now.